should I do? I have no idea where I am. Should I jump or not? Let's jump! Maybe next time. Deer.
Can you see it? Definitely this is not the road I searched for. Had to turn back.
This is not the best place to be caught by a nice summer storm or rain. The wind is picking up and this is the sign of rain. I have other plans for afternoon, so I don't want to waste my time too much here all the day. Weather is perfect, temperature wise. dogs there. This is not good sign. I have to take off my spray quickly as possible. Gata, oi, oi. Gata, oh. Maybe I should turn back. Gata. If I turn back, they will charge me. Gata, vai, ho. Now. Have to look in my mirrors because they... Oh, gata, vai. La ce hai? They come after me. This is the predator instinct. When you are running away from them, they will pursue. Look, he's coming after me. He wants me away from this guy. He's still coming and charging. Hey. Metal tire, but don't want to overestimate the tires. I should go there. Maybe I should go there. On top of that hill. But first let's look at the panorama. I think I went down there. Yeah, that was the route. Or should I go here in the left? Let's try.